Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the California Regional MLS app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. California Regional MLS, CRMLS, is a real estate platform that gives agents, brokers, and homebuyers access to one of the largest multiple listing services in the United States. The app offers real-time property listings, advanced search filters, map-based browsing, and tools to schedule showings directly with agents. Users can also save searches, mark favorite listings, and receive instant alerts when new properties matching their criteria become available. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is praised for its accurate and up-to-date MLS data, clean interface, and smooth navigation. Real estate professionals find it particularly useful for quick client communication, while buyers appreciate the detailed property descriptions, high-quality photos, and integrated map view. It also syncs well across devices, making it easy to pick up where you left off. Still, there are some drawbacks. The app's full features are mostly geared toward licensed real estate professionals, so casual homebuyers might find certain tools inaccessible. Some users report occasional slow loading times or glitches, and coverage is limited to CRMLS's service areas, which may not help if you're searching outside California. In summary, the California Regional MLS app may be worth it if you're a licensed agent, broker, or serious homebuyer looking for a reliable, data-rich real estate search tool within California. It excels in accuracy, professional features, and real-time alerts, but may not be ideal for casual browsing or searches outside its network. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.